Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I do understand that I haven't posted for quite some time on this particular channel, and this video is a little bit different to what I normally post, but don't worry, it's a one-off thing. I'm not going to stick to this type of content. Essentially what it is, whilst I was at work today, one of my colleagues started telling me that the earth was flat. And of course that started a bit of a debate, because the earth is not flat, the earth is a globe. I know it, science knows it, the majority of the planet population knows it, but no, apparently the earth is flat. But he's given me a challenge. He said to me that if I can find a video of the 24-hour day in the South Pole, he will stop believing the earth is flat and he will start believing that the earth is a globe. Now, he did have some stipulations. He said that this video must show either a flagpole or something, and it must also show a shadow moving all the way around this pole with no cuts, no breaks, nothing. It must make a full revolution around whatever's casting the shadow. So of course, I said, you know what, I'll find it when I get home, because this was 5 minutes before we finished. So let me go home, I'll find the video. And he said to me, you will not find a video. I've looked for the video, and the only videos I can find start at 2 AM and end at 10 PM. They don't show that 4 hours in the middle, because they don't want you to know it actually goes dark. The sun sets. So I was like, okay, challenge accepted. So here's what I've done. I got home, and within 10 minutes of looking, I found this video, what I'm about to show in a minute. And I also made a few slide shots and a tiny bit of research as well, just to reinforce my point. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you this video first. So let's have a look at it. So first of all, apologies for the shakiness. It's not shaking the actual video, but this is a VR video, so it's one of them where you've got to keep your phone perfectly still to stop it shaking, basically. But I held my phone as still as I could, and this is what I've caught. The details of the video are above my head. It's a video called Antarctica 24-Hour Sunlight VR 8K, and the YouTube channel is Anthony Powell, or Anthony. But let's look at the video. It's been playing. We're halfway through now, but you can see the shadow is moving around the pole. It's making more than one complete revolution. So it's going around about 1.5 times in this video. It's going around a pole. It's a shadow going around a pole, which is exactly what my colleague asked me to find. And here it is. So let's have a look at the information that Scott has added in his video here in the description. So we can see it's a place called Scott Base in Antarctica. And Scott's been very helpful. He's actually added a little bit of information there as well about why and how it's a 24-hour daylight. So I'm not going to read it out. You can have a read of it. It's on the screen. I will also put the link to Anthony's original video in the description. So head over there, show him some love, and thank him for the video. But let's have a look at Scott Base now. Okay, so I'm going to jump into Google Earth right here, and I'm just going to have a quick search for Scott Base, and let's see where it is. Right here. Right in Antarctica. And if I zoom out a little bit, you'll actually see exactly where it is. Now, fair enough, granted, it isn't perfectly central to Antarctica, But it's close enough to prove my point. Especially when you compare it to this. Or you look at it on this. This is the official flat Earth map as advertised by the official Flat Earth Society. And the Flat Earth Society tells us that the sun moves in a circle around this yellow line, and they also tell us that this is how day and night works. You have one half of the Earth which is in daylight, and the other half is in night. It's nighttime. Now, 99% of flat earthers will say that the daylight is a very rigid straight line running straight through the centre of the Earth. There's a whole different thing with how far the sunlight travels to do this, but I'm not going to get into that now. But basically this is where their entire model falls apart. Because this is how flat earthers explain day and night. Half of the Earth is day, half of the Earth is night, with a rigid straight line running down the middle. But we've just seen that Scott Base is in Antarctica, which is the big ice wall that's running around the flat Earth map. And we've also just seen a video showing that Scott Base gets 24-hour daylight. We've seen a video that proves that. So on this flat Earth map, where is Scott Base? It's right here. Now, I did put the arrow in myself, so I might not be 100% completely accurate with it, but that is approximately where Scott Base is. Scott Base, we've already proven, gets 24-hour daylight. On this flat Earth model, there is no possible way, there's no way that Scott Base in Antarctica could ever have a 24-hour daylight. There's no possible way on the flat Earth map. But on the globe, it's entirely possible because it's a globe. And Antarctica is facing the sun at the time of year that this happens. So, with just one video, thanks to Anthony for recording it for us, and with these little slides, what I've done here, or these little graphics I've done here, there is no possible way that Scott Base could ever have 24-hour daylight on a flat Earth. And just like that, not only have I provided the proof that my colleague wanted, I'm pretty confident that I have just completely shattered the entirety of flat Earth. I've just provided proof of something that cannot possibly happen on a flat Earth at all, ever. So there we go. That is, as far as I'm concerned, the entirety of the entire flat Earth ideology shattered, blown to pieces. Because no matter what a flat earther says, there is no possible way for what I've just shown you to ever happen on a flat Earth. There's no possible way on a flat Earth that this can happen. On a globe, it's explained very, very easily, but it's impossible on a flat Earth. So if anyone comes to you and tries telling you about flat Earth, show them this video. Ask them to explain the impossible, what I've just shown. They might come up with some weird excuse like refraction or something like that. If they do, tell them to explain what refraction is, and then tell them how they're wrong. So all that's left for me to do is to thank you for watching, guys. I really do appreciate the view. If you feel like it, hit that like button and maybe hit the subscribe button as well. I might eventually start uploading on this channel again. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, thank you again for watching, and I will see you whenever I can next be bothered uploading a video. Bye!